What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Jay. So today I'm going to show you guys my ultimate GoPro setup that I use currently right here in 2025. Now, I am aware that some of you guys have already seen this, but this video is going to be geared more towards the people that's about to jump into the GoPro system, and they just kind of want to know what are some things out there that they can use to spice up their GoPro. So without further ado, I'm going to go straight through every single thing that I got for my GoPro, put this thing together, and then I give you guys some test footage at the end with the GoPro. Let's do it. All right, guys, so in no particular order, the first thing is going to be a media mod. Now, this media mod is going to be something that you're going to really need with your GoPro. The GoPro has some really good internal audio, all right? Really good internal audio, but you can always make it better by using a media mod. Now, on this media mod, it's going to come with a mic and a little pop filter that goes over it right there. You're going to have your record button on the top. You also have a cold shoe here, and you have a cold shoe here, all right? And I'll show you two things that you can put on each one of these cold shoes if you want to, continue to spice your GoPro up just a little bit more, all right? Right here on the back, you're going to have some ports right here. You're going to have a micro USB port right there. You're also going to have a USB-C port right here as well. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to have a 3.5 right there so you can plug in external audio and stuff like that. So you're going to want to get this media mod. Now, it's very simple to put on. All you do is take your GoPro, take off the side door right there, which I already got removed, and then you just slide it in, click it in place, and this is what the GoPro looks like right here. And again, this media mod is really good. The audio to me sounds really good. You might have to tweak it a little bit, but it does sound really good. The one thing you got to be aware of when you're using the media mod, though, is this. I'm going to show you. So if you turn your GoPro on, the one thing you got to be aware of is on the back of on the media mod, if you press it, it has back, and it also has camera mics, and it also has front. So just be aware when you're using this, which side mic you're using, whether it's the front or the back. So if you're in front of the GoPro, you want to use the front mic, and if you're behind the GoPro, you want to switch it to the back mic right there. Okay, hopefully y'all can see that. I know it's kind of bright, but make sure you take advantage of that. And always remember to switch the mic with the media mod. So that's the first little accessory that I think you need to go and get with your GoPro. All right, let's move to the next one really quick. All right, so for this next accessory right here, I feel like this is a quote unquote must. All right, you gotta have this right here. You gotta have this selfie stick tripod right here. All right, and the reason why you need this is because number one, you can control your GoPro. You can start and stop recording. You can cycle through the modes and things like that. All right. But the biggest thing too is that you can also power your GoPro and keep it powered. So if the battery starts to die in your GoPro, you can just use this to plug into the GoPro and it will charge. And you can also charge up this handle, and you can use this handle for anything else to charge, like if you want to charge your phone and stuff like that too. But for the GoPro, it's going to come in handy, all right? And this is how you charge it. Got a USB-C right there on the side. That's how you would charge up the handle. And if you want to charge your GoPro, you would just put this into the USB-C on the GoPro, and it does work with the media mod as well. So you can just plug it straight in. And another thing I like about it right here too is that it has this little quick release right here. So all you got to do is pull that off like that. So if you got your GoPro on, you can just click it into place just like that. And if you want to take your GoPro off, you can take it off just like that. Now, I don't want to go through a full demonstration on how to pair this and all that stuff, man, but it's very simple. Power it on Bluetooth, go to your GoPro. It's going to successfully connect, and then you're good to go. This thing also has a tripod on it as well. So I think that's another good look right there. And on top of that, you can always flip this out right here if you want to hang it on to something, you know what I mean, just like that. And it also comes with this little lanyard right here that I think is really cool, man. This is what my setup looked like when I was going to pick up my Tesla, my delivery day. This is what I use, this whole setup that you're going to see here. And I use this handle right here. And again, this is the PGY Tech handle, all right? The PGY Tech Mantis Pod. But this one here is the one that you're going to want to go for. Now, mind you, GoPro does have their own version of this, the official GoPro version of this. But the only thing that the GoPro version doesn't have is that it doesn't have this quick release. You can control it on the GoPro version, which is called the Volta. You can charge it up and everything, but it also has a tripod on that one too. But this one also has that little flip out right there. So just make sure you do some research. Take a look at the Volta. Take a look at this Mantis Pod right here by PGY Tech, and then kind of make your choice from there. But for me, I like this one. Very easy to set up. All you got to do is take your GoPro, just like this, pop these out, put this on just like that. Take this. And as you can see, we're starting to build this thing out. And this is what it's starting to look like right here. So now we got that tight. And this is where we are so far. This is what it's starting to look like right here. So moving on to the next accessory, which is this one right here. This is going to be the GoPro display mod. Now, I like this display mod right here because it's going to give you a little bit of a bigger screen on your GoPro for viewing, all right? Because, you know, this screen right here on the front of the GoPro is pretty small, but you can still see yourself. But imagine using this screen on your GoPro to actually see yourself. Now, for this, it's very easy to set up. It has a USB-C on this side right here, so you can charge this thing up. Power button is right here as well. And then that's it. You know what I'm saying? It has a USB-C, a micro USB cable right here. And that's what's going to plug into the media mod right there. All you do is fold this down like this, just like that. Slide it right into the cold shoe. Plug it into the back of the GoPro right here on the media mod right here, just like this. And guess what? You are now in business, just like that. And that's what you're going to be looking like right there with your GoPro. So far, so good. Easy, easy, easy day, just like that. So yeah, this is what it all looks like, guys. And this is like my main setup for my GoPro. Let me lay this down so you guys can see it better. But this is like my main setup for my GoPro currently right now. And I really think that with this setup, you know, you can get a lot accomplished. You can get a lot done with this only because of the fact that you can keep your GoPro powered at all times. You also got a bigger screen so you can see yourself and stuff like that. Now, I got two quick other accessories that you can use with your GoPro as well, okay? So here go both of the accessories at one time. You have the Rode Video Mic Go 2. So you can also use this with the media mod. You can plug it into the back of the media mod. If you want to use this audio source instead of the media mod's audio source, just run your cable right into the back to the 3.5 and you'll be good to go right here. And then you can also use something like wireless microphone systems and things like that right here. As you can see, I got the Mayono ones right here. I'm currently rocking this one right now, the 5.5 one right here. But yes, you can easily just do the same thing. Put your receiver right here on your media mod, just like that, whichever one you want to use. And then you can easily just use your wireless microphone system with your GoPro too. So again, guys, this is my current setup for 2025. This is what I'm going to be rocking for the time being, man. I really, really like this setup. It's very, it's like compact, but then again, it's kind of like, to me, I feel like it's compact. Some people may say it's a little bit bulky, but you know, for the most part, it really gets the job done. You can always adjust your ball head and all of that stuff, man. You got your wireless control and all that. You just can't really beat this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys, but I'm gonna leave you with a little bit of test footage from this complete setup right here.